On the street, Sulaiman Dhoni and Ravikriષ્na Sehwag. Sehwag with Dhoni will play good nice shots on on-drive shot. Sulaiman and Itachi. What a 6 shot! Yes, first ball Ravi. Yes, brother. Close up. Come on. Okay. Sunday.